I was meeting with a couple today, and I asked them how much money they had in their retirement accounts. And they looked at me blankly. They, like so many others I meet with, frankly, have retirement accounts all over the place. They leave them with previous employers, and then people lose their logins. They don't keep their statements, and they have no idea how much money they have saved. My name is Laura Rotter of True Abundance Advisors. I'm here to tell you it is not difficult to roll over a retirement account from a previous employer. You have essentially three choices when you leave an employer. You can leave your retirement account with them, which is what so many people do. You can roll that retirement account over into a rollover IRA. And you can do that on your own. Open account with Schwab or Fidelity or Vanguard. Or you can work with a financial advisor such as myself and roll over your retirement account that way. When you've decided what you want to do, you merely contact the 401k provider, and you will likely have paperwork you need to fill out. And then they will either roll over the securities into the account that you name, or more than likely, they will mail you a check for the amount that's currently in your retirement account. If that is the case, you just need to be sure to deposit that check into your new tax-deferred account within 60 days. Otherwise, there are tax ramifications and you'll need to pay taxes on that money as though it was received as income. If you have any questions about this, how to do it, how to invest the proceeds, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. As usual, I urge you to get the ease and the clarity that comes from organizing your financial life, from seeing your accounts in one place, for knowing that they are invested as a whole, that your household is invested as a whole. So please reach out to me with any questions you have and continue to live your life on purpose.